Today we made 1.2k on NQ, boys. I'm going to do a quick trade breakdown, show you guys what I was thinking. So going into the pre-market, about half an hour before session open, I marked out this. So we had a 4-hour IFEG, okay? So we closed nicely. This is here, cool. We also had an SMT with ES. I'm doing my current analysis on NQ, by the way. But I did this on MNQ, sorry, but I did this on NQ before. So we had a massive SMT with ES as well, okay? And then not only that, we have this 4-hour inversion, okay? So after this 4-hour inversion, okay, right, 4-hour, bearish, cool. Then we go to the 1 hour and we are respecting this 1 hour fair value gap, okay? So we had delivered from this 1 hour fair value gap, which is obviously very bearish, okay? So 1 hour, there we go. And then here as well, we are clearly respecting bearish order flow. So we've already come in, respected this. We also inversed this 15, right? So this is my target down here, the 4-hour low. We've inversed the 15-minute, which was my condition going into the market, into the open, sorry. And then we have a 1 hour we're delivering from, okay? And then we come up here and we don't close this 5-minute, or like we barely do close it if we do. So I wasn't looking to get any longs off that for sure, as I was so bearish. But when we do reject from this 5-minute, I was actually looking to potentially come up to here to take this and then move down. But it seems we just respected this 5-minute. So we're in a 1 hour. I think we're in a 30-minute and a 15. We also respect this 5-minute. We also take this liquidity here. So we go to the 1 minute. We also take all of this liquidity. So we've got these highs, these highs, these highs, right? So we go a liquidity sweep. We then get a nice inversion, which happens here just about, which was a very close one, but yeah, we do inverse that. I wouldn't normally take something like that. I'd usually wait for a bit more confirmation, maybe like a close here. But honestly, this looks so good that I was just going to take it. We're respecting bearish order flow, disrespecting bullish, and we had that 4-hour inversion target down here, so it just seemed really good for me to target that. So yeah, we inversed this 1 minute. There was no other fair value gap on the higher time frame, so we took this 1 minute. I actually did wait for it to come back up to enter because I didn't really like this, and I know it doesn't make much of a difference, but if this is my target, then this would have been like a negative RR. So I waited for that, like it's like a 1.1 really, but like one RR, come on. So yeah, we waited for price to deliver, and it did there very nicely. So yeah, that's pretty much everything. Just a bit of a takeaway from this video is definitely look at conditions. So if you, like I say, or what's the word? Order flow. So as you can see here, if you go to the 30-minute, so the hourly actually wasn't terribly obvious. We obviously respected here and here, but like if you go down to like things like the 15 minutes, the 15-minute, you can see that like we literally held this, this all held, this held, and then yeah, so on and so forth. So you're looking for that bearish confirmation, which we had all the way through. Was this yesterday? No, all the way through this morning from London, and then we obviously respected this 1 hour. So we were expecting this price to deliver from this 1 hour down to the 4-hour low.